a.m. I'm making a new plan, rearrange.
What's going on, man?
How you doing, man?
All right. What you got running here?
I got 10 SPR 12s on 5 RP2K amps.
Okay.
Wired at 2 ohms, so about 7,500 watts.
Perfect. Okay.
Nothing real crazy.
It sounds good.
Give it just a second here. $129 a piece, or $129 a piece.
$129 a piece, doing all that. See, it don't matter what you run.
don't matter getting a good box and all that stuff. So
right.
My wife's calling. I'm sorry.
You all good, man. You all good.
Hello. What? Okay, well, leave it alone. But I've got people sitting in my truck.
You know, you say you got the RP 1200. RP.
Yeah, 2 RP. There's 5 RP2Ks, 2,000 watt amps, and they're wired at 2 ohms, so I might be seeing 7,500 watts at best.
Yeah, for the whole thing.
Yeah, so I mean, it's fairly efficient for what it is.
Yeah.
I've had it all set up for about 4 years, just like this.
And the 12s or the 10s?
12s.
Okay, yeah. You on social media anywhere they can follow you?
Yeah, I got Kentucky, the mini truck state. I do a lot of mini truck stuff on there, so I have videos of this on there pretty soon.
Okay, I'm gonna try to tag in the video below, man.
Yeah.
Good thing, man.
I appreciate it. Thank you very much.
There you go, man.
Oh, thank you, man. Appreciate
it.
Thank you very much.
Can I check out the back?
Yeah.
Looking good back here.
Yeah. There you go. So they got this amp player frame that most people don't see.
I thought it was just these right here.
Yeah, no, there's five amps there. So.
Oh yeah.
Then it's got 70 amp hour Yinglong. So I mean it's not a real big bang, but.
Did you build that thing yourself?
Yeah. Yeah, Drew Jones out of Bassaholics, he designed the enclosure for me.
Yeah.
I built it. There's 10 sheets of plywood in there. So I've actually got more in the plywood than like the price of the subs. I've got more in the batteries than I have in the subs and the amps themselves.
Plywood ain't going to get no cheaper, is it?
Nah. So there's 7 sheets of birch to try and save weight, and there's 3 sheets of MDF. I have the MDF on the inside.
Uh-huh.
That way I can paint it and make it look nice, and I have the wood grain in it.
Yeah.
So
Man, it's good seeing
Yeah, I do construction for a living, so
you
building
know what-
boxes is bad, but
So it was easy.
yeah, it wasn't easy. It's work, but yeah, it's a lot easier than most.
Did you have to build it with the shell off of it? And then...
Yeah. So I built the box in the truck, and slid it in. Then I made all the filler panels. Just took cardboard, traced everything. Really took my time, and because I want everything to fit as clean as I can to make it look like I care about what I'm doing.
Right, that's the thing right there. Yeah, trying to make it look good. You can get loud, but not make it look good most of the time.
Yeah.
So you know.
And so the whole point was I wanted to take cheap equipment and make it sound good and see if I can make it reliable. A lot of people talk a lot of crap about Skar and not understand why, but a lot of that is user error. People get in there and they wire it way too low. Yeah. And they're pushing it too hard and having issues. One of those amps is 5 years old. 2 of those amps are 4 years old, and the other amps are 3 years old. But and I've been playing it wide, like I'll drive to Paducah wide open and have no issues. That's an hour,
play the whole ride.
Play the whole ride, get home. I demoed for an hour and a half earlier this morning. My amps weren't even hot, so they're not putting out all their power. So everything's fairly efficient. I'm not having any problems.
But Skar will take care of you if you do have a problem.
The only issue I've had so far is the 2 mid-range amps have been vibrated to death up in the cab, which is part of it, and I expect that to happen. So.
You got a wood roof in there and everything?
No.
It's stock.
It's all stock. There's nothing done to the cab other than the enclosure. There's no sound deadener, any of that stuff, which I have some of the house. I'm planning on building new complete door cards and panels, so I was going to wait till I pull it all apart and do it all at the same time versus a little bit here and a little bit there. So, like I said, I've got the Kentucky to mini truck state where I'm building a Mazda for her. That I'm eventually put this truck on there and I'm gonna pull all the stuff out, wrap it all with vinyl, make it cleaner, and try and make it look a little more. I mean, it's not like it's dirty or nothing, but just make it cleaner, you know.
You got to customize. You did all the customizing right here for the.
Yeah. Well, the new license plate, put a roll pin in it, shaved the door handles, all that stuff. Yeah. This is a Survivor truck. It's a 1986.
Oh yeah.
And the only thing that was wrong with it is the stuff that I fixed on it. So when I got it, the brake, the master cylinder was out on it, and the clutch slave didn't work on it. So my friend gave it to me. Yeah. I put $120 in it. I've been driving it for 5 years now.
Oh yeah, it's a good investment.
Yeah. There's a little bit of rust in the floor that needs to be fixed. And that's one of those things when I go to do the door panel, I'll tear it all apart and do it all at the same time.
Well, you already got it apart.
Yeah. So.
Oh yeah, it looks good. What's the next show you going to?
I don't know. This is the first time I've ever come out to a show like this, so it's my.
We usually go everywhere else, but we hadn't been to this one, Pop Tart did, so we.
I happened to see it on Facebook a few months ago and decided to check it out. Yeah. And like I've been to a few like local cars and coffees and stuff like that, but I've never actually came to a base meet because I've always been kind of apprehensive about how people are going to receive it because you never know these days.
Yeah, so. You never know. You just gotta know.
So far, everybody's been really happy. And,
it's a good deal,
really
man.
surprised by they're all those BFX, those the big subs. Like, nah, man, these are cheap, $129 subs. So
it's 10 of them
build, yeah.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, so for a cheap budget build, I'm really happy with it.
It's doing a good job, man.
Thank you, man.
It's good seeing you, man.
You too, man.
I hope to see you next.
Absolutely.
Good to see y'all.
I'm changing who I am.